Hey guys, Kenyelle, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm making slime. So, you guys are wondering why I haven't vlogged in a while. It's because 3 of our chickens died. And you know why? Because our next door neighbor's dog killed them, 3 of them. Yeah, it was sad. But we just need to get over that, okay? We're gonna get some more when they have some. Because my dad called them today, last night, and they said they had none, so that's just great. So, well, we're making slime. So, yeah. Oh, Daddy, can you bring me the shaving cream, please? Thank you. We are making fluffy slime. So I got some color changing blue to purple glue and glow in the dark slime. So this one would be kind of weird. And we got this Crayola glue, it's green. So yeah, first I'm gonna add this glow in the dark glue, purple glue. It says no. There's a lot of more in there, but we need to let it sit. Alright. Alright, now we're getting under blue. Ooh, that squeezes out really good. Liberty, 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 liberty. Okay, now we're gonna add the green.
The cream.
The cream.
Oh, green or cream?
Green.
Green?
Yes. I did not mean to add all this green. I forgot.
Just use it all through it.
Okay.
You've already done it.
And there's none left. That's just great.
Liberty.
You guys wondering why I have this plate right here is where I can play with it. So yeah. All right. So it looks pretty cool. Look. When this video is ready, he's gonna be dying to see this. When he always farts in the videos, he's dying to see it. Oh, that stinks. Ew, is that you? Ew.
What's it smell like? Duke.
What is that noise?
The dryer.
Okay, I thought there was a little chick. I'm like, what's going on with her? Get that little crust out. There we go. Okay, that's the end of where's the cap? Okay, there it is. Alright, this is this glue. Only I got this off of my chest. Get some more. Okay.
I get it.
Liberty. Ah! Why does this happen? Alright. Did I put
I get it.
okay, Daddy. Alright, so now we're gonna put some shaving cream in. My favorite part. Well, not my favorite part. My favorite part is to mix it and play with it. It's not good sounding shaving cream, guys. There's a lot in here, but I don't know what consists of it. Okay, there we go. You just have to shake it up. Alright, that's good. So now we're gonna add the baking soda. Baking some cookies. Okay, there it is. Ooh. Activator. Is this? Okay. I wonder what color it's gonna be. No, we're about to find out. Well, it's turning green. Okay, we're just need to go mixing to see what the color is. There's no brown color. Okay. Oh, and guys, happy Valentine's Day. It's late Valentine's Day, but who is he talking to? Oh, he's talking to Lotus. It's turning green, guys. So, it's weird. Really weird. Liberty, 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 liberty. Good. Maybe there's just no gluten here, so it can. Come on. Ooh, some hurricane. Ooh. Okay, it's ready, guys. Ready for action. Alright, let's get all this slime out and put it on the plate. It's Christmas time and it's Valentine's Day. Alright, guys. This turned out good. Whoa, it is good.
Hey Josh, your truck sounds good.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I'll go out. Doesn't sound good. Oh. Maybe there's not more in there. They talk a lot though. Don't know if you love me or you want me dead. Push me away, push me away. Beg me to stay, beg me to stay. Call me in the morning to apologize. Every little lie gives me butterflies. Something in the way looking through my eyes. Don't know if you love me. Fight's so dirty, but your love's so sweet. Dark so pretty, but your heart got teeth. Never put your hands on me. Never, never, ever let go. Fight's so dirty, but your love's so sweet. Dark so pretty, but your heart got teeth. Late night devil, put your hands on me. Never, never, ever let go. Blood on my shirt, blood on my hand. Looking at me like you don't know who I am. Stop it. Fight so pretty, but your love so sweet. Hi, Dad.
Hi.
You were talking a lot out there.
Hi, YouTube.
You were talking a lot out there.
I was. Did you hear me on YouTube, Tube?
Yep.
You did hear me on YouTube, Tube?
Yeah, Josh's truck sounds good.
Yeah, it does, don't it?
No, that's what we
I know.
heard you say. But so dirty, but your love so sweet. Dark so pretty, but your heart please. But a little late night, dirty, put your hands on me. Never, never, ever let go. But so dirty, but your love so sweet. Dark so pretty, but your heart got teeth. Never put your hands on me. Never, never, ever let go. And never, never, never let go. Oh yeah, little cheeky, huh? After we add the shaving cream, then it would be ready. Well done. Oh gosh. It's good. Oh, it's good. It's good. Yeah, it's good. I should have added only these two colors because I don't want to make it the green. That's gross. Don't judge a book's cover. I mean, so it's good.
What's up, YouTube?
So,
Follow me on. I'm just playing.
yeah, but follow him on Facebook. And follow me on Facebook, guys. Follow me. Go down. Go on Instagram and follow me at CamdenReese12. It's amazing. And my dad has an Instagram. Go check it out, guys. And he's starting a new channel, so go check it out on Jeremy Adams. And make sure you go check out my mom on Instagram too. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, we can just move this out of the way. be way better. Yeah, way better. Fight so dirty, but your love so sweet. Duck so pretty, but your heart got teeth. When you never put your hands on me. Never let go, never ever go. Ooh, come on, I don't want this to melt in my hands. Okay, already go. Ain't no devil, put your hands on me, baby. Never let go, baby. Yeah. That's not how the song goes, baby. Yeah. Let this mix together. But in my shoe, clothes in my hand. You're looking at me like you don't know who I am. Still begin. Fight so dirty, but your love so sweet. These are the best combination. I'm gonna do it next time if they have the glues. I don't know. I wasn't really paying attention, but yeah. We'll not make green like this line. Fight so dirty. Ooh, that is like. No. Alright, let me check. How do you do that? Poke. Stretch. That's how you do it, like make those crunches. If you didn't, wasn't paying attention, you did. If you didn't pay attention. If you didn't pay attention, then I'll show you again. You want me to do it? Okay, I'll do it again. Is it like that? Make it flat. And then poke. Like that. And then stretch. Now, that's how you poke. So yeah, I'm gonna do it one more time so you guys know for sure. So, flat, make a flat. Make a flat. Poke. Make sure you poke it until it's all covered in little, like when it looks like this. Poke some more so it goes away. And then stretch. And sometimes you can make a bubble if you do that too, if it's really good slime. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my slime that my parents got me from Valentine's Day. Hey guys, did I scare you? So this is the slime right here. Move this out of the way. Let me show you all the batches. So it's Nickelodeon, a sweet scent, and it smells so real. And it's cupcake slime. Well, it's usually like cupcake icing. So yeah, it's really good. I always play with it. It's really fun. Get out. It's jiggly slime. It's really pretty. And I'm gonna do the same thing like when I poked and stuff. And I'm gonna mix a little bit with that, this one. So we just didn't mix anything, but poke. No, I need to make it flat. Poke. No, it doesn't really do it with this one, but that's okay. So yeah, this is slime. I really like it. So let's move on to this slime. Yeah. Get a little bead in there, guys. Good for itself. So make it flat. Poke.
Still on that?
Yeah. Stretch. And that was really good. Can you stop, please? Thanks. Stop! Oh, it's so dirty. Can you, like... Oh my gosh, I'm never talking to you again. Stop! You're gonna wake mommy up. You don't care. How dare you? And then she's gonna feel more sick. And that would be great. Just kidding. Move! Activator. Alright. So I'm gonna do the punching thing again. So I'm making flat. Daddy, please. I'm making a video.
Oh.
Don't use a vacuum, Mama.
You don't anyway.
No. So poke.
One more time. Real quick. 3 seconds. One. Ready?
Yes. 4, 5, 6, 7.
That's it.
7 seconds.
Oh, my bad. Close enough.
Haha. 7 seconds.
Close enough.
Yeah, close enough. Hey, yeah, close enough. Okay, finally we can get back to slime. Fight's so dirty, but your love's so sweet. That's so pretty. And so, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take my hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. I know you stopped me while I was passing by. Now I'm back. Okay, guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you liked it. And this was really good slime, don't you think? Comment down below if you like this green glue slime. If you like it, say best green goo slime. And if you don't like it, say bad at green goo slime. Okay, so make sure you go like and subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. I want it to get to 100,000. I mean, just 100 likes. Guys, can you please do that for me? Please. I beg. Please. Yeah, and we have new merch coming. Link in the bio. So yeah, make sure you like and subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. And follow my mom's, Chrissy Carol, on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, Camden Adams 12, and my daddy, Jeremy Grizzly Adams. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.